Hello everybody, we're at Strongsville Hobby of Elyria. Today we're taking a look at the Slash Audio. It's a new two-wheel drive brush slash that just came out the other day. We turned on the sound. The speaker is actually located underneath the body and inside the front windshield there. We currently have the controller on and in what is called the park position. And now we can hear what it sounds like. That is the audio in park with all the different sounds as it revs up there. That's pretty impressive. You can run it in park, or you can, as you drive it, it makes the same sounds. You can unplug it if you don't like it. The remote has a switch on it there. You can turn it on and off with. So it's all the fun of a nitro, even better, but with an electric. It takes no tuning. Alrighty, you can check this out at Strongsville Hobby of Elyria, strongsvillehobby.com. Or you can give us a call at 440-366-0665. Strongsville Hobby of Elyria.